Hello students and welcome back to English podcast. Today we are going to talk about something that can change the way you work, study and live your life. Our topic today is how to be more productive. Do you ever feel like you are busy all the time, but at the end of the day you have not completed the important things? Maybe you take your phone again and again. Maybe you start many tasks but finish only a few. Or maybe you have a long to-do list but you don't know where to start. Don't worry, you are not alone. Being productive does not mean that working every minute of the day. Productivity means using your time and energy wisely. Research has found that effective time management is associated with better performance and well-being. So let's learn some simple ways to become more productive. First, start with one important task. The first rule is very simple. Don't try to do everything at once. Choose one important task and give it to your all attention. For example, if you are a student, don't say, I will study English, mathematics, science and history today. That can feel overwhelming. Instead say, first I will study English for 30 minutes. Finish that task, then move to the next one. When you focus on one thing at a time, it becomes easier to make progress. Second, make a simple to-do list. Before you start your day, write down the things you want to accomplish. But don't write 20 tasks. Choose 3 important tasks. For example, number 1, finish my assignment. Number 2, practice English for 30 minutes. Number 3, English for 20 minutes. Exercise for 20 minutes. A short list can help you focus on what really matters. And when you finish something, take it off. That small feeling of achievement can give you more motivation. Third, remove distractions. One of the biggest enemies of productivity is distraction. Your phone is probably one of them. You sit down to study and say, I will take my phone for just 1 minute. That 1 minute becomes 10 minutes, then 20 minutes, and suddenly you have lost a lot of time. So when you need to concentrate, put your phone away or turn off unnecessary notifications. Research on workplace focus has also found that blocking online distractions can help people focus longer, although it is important to keep healthy breaks. Remember, if something consistently steals your attention, it is also stealing your time. Fourth, use short focused sessions. You don't always need to work for 3 or 4 hours without stopping. Try working in short, focused sessions. For example, work for 25 minutes. Then take a 5-minute break. During those 25 minutes, focus only on your task. No social media, no unnecessary notifications, no random videos, just your work. After your break, start another session. This method can make a large task feel much easier. Fifth, learn to say no. Productivity is not about doing more. It's about doing less of what does not matter. You don't have to say yes to every request. You don't have to join every conversation. Your time is valuable. When you protect your time, you create more space for your goals. Sixth, don't wait for motivation. This is very important. Many people say, I will start when I feel motivated. But motivation does not always come first. Sometimes action creates motivation. If you don't feel like studying, tell yourself, I will study for only 5 minutes. Then start. After 5 minutes, you may feel ready to continue. The hardest part is often not doing the work. The hardest part is starting. So make the first step very small. 7th, take care of yourself. Being productive does not mean working all the time without rest. Your body and mind need recovery. Sleep well, drink enough water, move your body, take short breaks, spend time with people you love, and give yourself time to relax. Remember, rest is not laziness. Rest helps you continue. Productivity should help you create a better life, not make you exhausted. 8th, stop trying to be perfect. Sometimes, perfectionism stops us from getting things done. We think, I need to make this perfect. So we keep changing it, we keep thinking, and we never finish. Instead, try to focus on progress. Your first version does not need to be perfect. Just finish it, then improve it. Done is often better than perfect. 9th, plan tomorrow tonight. Before you go to sleep, Take 5 minutes to plan the next. Ask yourself, what are the 3 most important things I need to do tomorrow? Write them down. Then when you wake up, you already know what to do. You don't waste your morning wondering where to start. You simply begin. 10th, remember your why. Finally, remember why you want to be productive. Maybe you want better grades. Maybe you want to improve your English. Maybe you want to build a business. Maybe you want a better career. Or maybe you simply want more free time. Your goal gives your work a purpose. When you know your why, it becomes easier to keep going when things become difficult. Final message. So let's quickly remember today's lessons. Choose one important task. Make a simple to-do list. Remove distractions. Work in focused sessions. Protect your time. Don't wait for motivation. Take care of yourself. Don't chase perfection. Plan your next day. And remember your purpose. You don't need to completely change your life in one day. Start with one small productive habit. Maybe today you can put your phone away for 30 minutes and focus on one important task. Tomorrow, do it again. Small actions become habits, and habits can change your life. Thank you so much for being here. If you are learning English, don't worry about understanding every single word. Listen again, repeat useful sentences, speak along with the podcast, and practice a little every day. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep improving. This is Zofia, your English teacher. See you in the next podcast. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. Goodbye.